Welcome class 12 students to the online laboratory Sani School Purulia. We are going to describe the second experiment for your chemistry practical. The name of the experiment is the preparation of standard solution of more salt. I shall describe the entire experiment into the following heads: aim, theory, materials required, demonstration part, results and precautions. The experiment number 2, the aim of the experiment is to prepare 250 ml of standard solution of M/20 more salt. You know that more salt is a double salt and it is a primary standard. It is readily soluble in water. It is available in the high purity. So it is known as a primary standard. So standard solutions are the solutions of accurately known concentration prepared using standard substances. More salt is an example of a primary standard. The composition of more salt, as I told, it is a double salt, crystalline, FeSO4, NH4 whole twice SO4, 6H2O. It is slightly greenish in color because of the presence of ferrous ion. The molar mass is 392 gram per mole. Therefore, to prepare 1 liter of 1 molar more salt solution, we need to take 1 mole of more salt, that means 392 gram. Hence, to prepare 250 ml M/20, 4.9 gram of more salt is required. Now, to conduct this experiment, we need to take the following materials: 250 ml volumetric flask, glass funnel, wash bottle and distilled water, H2SO4, weighing machine, dropper or pipette, and obviously the crystalline salt of more salt. Now I am going to show you the activity. Good morning, students. Now I am going to show the second experiment, that is the preparation of standard solution of more salt. What is more salt? More salt is a double salt and it is known as ammonium ferrous sulfate. Composition is NH4 whole 2 SO4, FeSO4 with 6 molecules of water of crystallization, 6H2O. The molecular mass is 392 gram per mole. So as we need to prepare this by 250 ml and its molarity, suppose you want to make by M/20, the amount of oxalic acid, amount of more salt which is required, that is by 4.9 gram. So exactly we have to prepare the we have to take the 4.9 grams of more salt, and then we have to transfer it in a volumetric flask with capacity of 250 ml. Now let us see how we can prepare it. The more salt basically, as it is carrying or consisting of ferrous sulfate. So first we are calibrating the balance. We are putting it into the 0 mark, and you see that the more salt, it is kept in a black colored bottle, and it is basically to prevent the oxidation of ferrous sulfate. Otherwise it will slowly turn into the ferric ion. So to prevent, it is kept with such precaution. Now we have to take 4.9 gram of this salt. Calculation shows that to prepare the m by 20 more salt, we need to take 4.9 grams. So carefully you transfer this amount into this paper by 4.9 gram. You see that its color is slightly greenish, and this greenish color is due to the presence of ferrous ion. It cannot be exposed much in the air, otherwise it will turn into ferric, and the color also will turn into yellowish due to the presence of Fe3 plus ion. So we are taking this by 4.9, and here you see that it is almost, we are reaching to that point. Little more is required to if it is slightly more or less, don't worry. Yes, 4.9 gram. This is exact amount of 4.9 gram. Now, with the help of a funnel, first you transfer the entire amount without loss of a single particle. You transfer the entire amount here in the flask with the help of a funnel, and then you put little water. To complete transfer it. Okay, and from the side of the funnel you add water in such a way so that you ensure that no particle of ammonium ferrous sulfate is present. The next is we need to add 20 ml of H2SO4. This is required to prevent the hydrolysis of the more salt. Approximately, this is approximately, we are adding H2SO4. Let us take little more. So this will help in the preventing it from the further hydrolysis. It will not change into ferric ion. Okay, so that is the purpose for which H2SO4 is added. Okay, now add little more water over here, and then you shake it with a circular motion and try to dissolve it completely. Until the entire amount is dissolved, you keep on stirring it. It is not completely dissolved. So you can take little more water. Okay, and then you stir it, shake it, and it will lead to the complete dissolution of the more salt. Yes, now the solid particles are not visible. I mean to say that it is completely soluble. you can see it is completely soluble, right? There is no more particle seen at the bottom of the flask. Okay, so now you add water. Now you be little careful because here the mark 250 mark is lying over here. So this time you be very careful and you add the water drop wise to make up the volume up to the mark. And this time you have to be careful, otherwise if it goes little above this line, that means your solution is not having the proper molarity and you have to reject the entire solution and you have to prepare it again. So to avoid this, we need to add it very slowly, finally to adjust the volume up to the exact mark. So little more is required, and because if this solution is not prepared well accurately, then as you will do the analysis with the help of this solution. So this I am going to. So you see that the lower meniscus. Okay, now the lower meniscus has touched the mark of this volumetric flask. So this is exactly what is called as the M/20 250 ml more salt solution. Okay, so what I was telling, that in case the volume goes little above, just then you have to throw or you have to reject, otherwise it's means a strength will be different, and when with the help of this you will analyze the other solution, then also it will give a wrong result. Thank you. So this is how the 250 ml of M/20 solution of more salt is prepared, the final result. And there are some precautions while performing this activity. Number one, the more salt is to be taken in accurate amount. While transferring the more salt into the volumetric flask, there should be complete transfer without any loss, and the last few drops of distilled water to be added with the help of a pipette or dropper to avoid the addition of extra amount of water. Thank you.